The chase for the NASCAR Sprint Cup Series rolled into Dover Sunday afternoon for the first cutoff race in the 2016 chase, the Citizen Soldier 400. Brad Keselowski was your pole sitter, but his time out front was short-lived as Martin Truex Jr., who considers Dover his home track, made his way by the two of Keselowski early in the running. Lap 33, we would see early trouble for chaser Kevin Harvick. Harvick, who locked himself into the round of 12 last weekend with a win in New Hampshire, has a problem with the rear of his car. Take a look at the smoke billowing out of the back in the middle of the corner. Harvick would take the number 4 car behind the wall. He ended up finishing the day 37th due to a broken track bar mount. Under that yellow chaser, Kyle Larson was having electrical problems while running 7th. He would have to be pushed to pit road and the team would work on the car. Larson would go a lap down and get off of pit road right in front of the leaders, and the chase rookie would also be penalized for too many crew members over the wall on that stop. He had to serve an additional pass-through penalty under green. After it was all said and done, he would get back on track 3 laps down. Larson, who couldn't afford any more bad luck on this day in Dover, would have to dig out of a deep hole early in the race, but things went from bad to worse. Lap 182, Kyle would have an issue with the right front tire, and he goes hard right into the wall. Larson would finish the day in 25th spot, failing to advance to the next round in the chase. Right after that ensuing restart, Kyle Larson's teammate Jamie McMurray, who struggled with engine problems all day, would have his motor expire on lap 193. And just like that, Chip Ganassi Racing loses any chance at advancing their cars to the round of 12. On to lap 279, Jimmy Johnson gets penalized for having a crew member over the wall too soon. That would cost the 10-time Dover winner, as he would have to make his way back down pit road to serve a pass-through penalty. That penalty set the 48 back late in the running, but they were able to recover and finish 7th and securing his place in the round of 12. In the end, it was Martin Truex Jr. earning his 4th win of the season and his 2nd win in the round of 16, and he does it all at his home track. Martin Truex Jr. wins the Citizen Soldier 400 at Dover, and the chase field is now reduced to 12 after Kyle Larson, Jamie McMurray, Chris Buescher, and Tony Stewart are all eliminated. The next round of the chase, the round of 12, starts next weekend in Charlotte. For NASCAR.com, I'm Jonathan Merriman.